Available at the Cherokee Titan Outlet store, we have the 2006 Case IH RBX 563 in good condition with an estimated use of 10,000 bales. This baler is equipped with wide pickup with hydraulic lift, 2 pickup gauge wheels, electronic bale monitor with counter, bale kicker, and auto twine wrap control. This baler produces bales up to 61 inches and 1,500 pounds and requires a minimum of 100 horsepower to operate. If you are interested in this Case IH RBX 563 and would like more information, give us a call at 877-866-7010 or stop by our website at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.